Welcome students and viewers. This is the initiation taken by the Directorate Higher Education, Government of Goa for developing e-content in the subject of economics. I am going to deal in this second module, scarcity, choice and opportunity cost. My outline of my presentation is meaning of resources, interpreting scarcity, choice and opportunity cost, and production possibility frontier. In the first presentation, I had already mentioned to you about resources. Here I just repeat the learning outcome. Students will be able to learn and manage when scarcity is there in the economy. Understand the priority the economy should give while taking economic decisions. Scarcity affects everybody. Resources are scarce. The amounts of goods and services that can be produced, they are limited. As we say, wants are unlimited and resources are limited. So, society with limited resources have to use efficiently as possible, far as possible to produce whatever goods and society wants in the economy. Scarcity problem is fundamental economic problem. It is a central problem of every society. Without scarcity, there would not have been any study of economics. It is because economic resources and goods and services are scarce that they are not free, but command a price. And because it commands a price, there is meaning for economics. So, understand economics from scarcity point of view. Everything is scarce. Because it is scarce, it commands a price. Here we have production possibilities. This is a curve given by Professor Samuelson in his book called Economics. Whatever possibilities we have, this particular production possibility frontier shows maximum amount of production that can be obtained by an economy given its technological knowledge and quantity of inputs and resources available at their disposal. The production possibility curve represents menu of goods and services available to the society. At any point of time, we will be able to tell that this particular combination I can produce. Beyond that particular combination, we will be unable to produce, because we call them unattainable combination. Anything within the boundary, it is attainable, but we will not be able to use full resources, utilize efficiently any resources. This production possibility curve, as I told you, given by Professor Samuelson, it was analytical tool called production possibility curve, which tries to explain the bundles of product that can be produced with a set of given inputs. When I say inputs, prices are coming with the inputs. A firm has a limit to its production possibility. This particular production possibility frontier, it shows the total output of all different goods that can be produced is constrained by the definite boundary. As I told you in the next session, that we have drawn the curve PPF. It cannot produce everything at every time. It has to produce mix of goods which is constrained with using the resources. It cannot produce more of any one product without sacrificing the production of something else, and that is how we say scarcity. Any movement on that particular boundary curve shows the alternatives which we can go. Suppose if the economy at particular point of time wants more of food, then it has to reduce something of some other goods, let us say clothing. So, that is what production possibility frontier, that is why it is the curve is called frontier. This particular curve can be analyzed by showing this way, like a production possibility curve shows all combinations of goods that can be produced. When resources are fully employed or utilized, movement from one point to another on the curve shows a shift in the bundle of goods at any point of time. This requires an reallocation of resources. When I say reallocation, means take from something, give it to something, or take resources from production of one good, transfer it to production of another good. That is why we say reallocation. Scarcity, as I told you, is a fundamental problem of every society. In the absence of scarcity, there would be no need to study economics. Because there is scarcity, the discipline economics is studied. Choice is choosing various combination of goods given their prices. Along the boundary line, we are choosing various combination because of the price. And opportunity cost is indicated by the sacrifice one is making in selection of a good. So, whenever I am producing food, I have to give up clothing. Whenever I am producing more of clothing, I have to give up food. So, we are making a sacrifice, we call that opportunity cost. Opportunity cost of producing something is something you have given up, sacrifice. These are my references which I have mentioned, 4 of them. You can see Pindek is one of the main texts, and you can see Samuelson is there, Karl is also, Case and Karl is also good writer, and Salvatore, which has Schwamm series. In the Schwamm series there is also one book by microeconomics, and this is my credits are 4. Thank you.